Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm super excited because today I get to share with you my guest design team package for the month of November for the Happy Crafter Shop. And yes, super excited. There's some fun things in here, some new things in here, some surprises in here, and I can't wait to share them with you, so let's dig right in. So as usual, Lisa always has the boxes packed in pink tissue with a pretty little sticker on it. And right on the top is my coupon code, so if you decide to shop, be sure to use that for 10% off your order. And let me just remind you, Lisa's web address there, www.happycraftershop.com, and you can find her at these social media locations, okay? So yes, super excited, super excited. So the very first thing I'm going to show you is the brand new idea that Lisa has in her shop, and check this out. She has some laser cut ornaments she's calling the Happy Cuts, and we have the small stocking and the large stocking. Look at how cute these are. So yeah, I don't know if she's going to be doing these in coming months or not, but for right now she does have these perfectly timed Christmas stockings here, and let's open up one of these packages and I will show you what's inside. So cute. So let's see here. We have the base piece. We have the top layering piece, and by the way, these are made of wood and they feel very smooth, so I think they're cut really nicely. We have a fluff piece for the top of the stocking. We have the patchwork for the toe and the heel. So look at how cute that is. Adorable. Yes, these are going to make perfect ornaments for your own tree or for gift giving for your friends and family. And I was thinking about this set here. Wouldn't this be cute if you did it in flannel? You could use spray paints on it. You could do watercoloring. You could use your markers. You can do patterned paper. Just any way you want to decorate these would be so awesome. And I can just see some of that fake fur up here at the top. Very cute. So let me give this a quick measure and we'll see how big this is. So the large stocking from the top of the loop here to the toe is about 4.5 inches. And the small one from the loop to the toe is about 3.5 inches. So very good size and perfect timing, Lisa, for this gorgeous new release this month in your shop. So cute. So if you guys are interested in these, be sure to pick those up, because you know Happy Crafter Shop. Shop fast, shop early, pick up everything you want when you're shopping, because if you come back, the goodies are going to be gone. And I will guarantee you people are going to eat these adorable stockings up. So that is something new in her shop. And then something super fun. Lisa is giving away a free die set while supplies last for every order. So the first set she has here is this cute little adorable stocking. And this is the base piece. We've got the top layering piece, and then we've got the other layering pieces. Matches this, but this looks a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is a little smaller than the stocking there, but isn't this adorable? So this is one of the freebies you could get. And the other one is this super cute Christmas tree. And this has got a backing layering piece and a top layering piece with stitching going around. So adorable. And the little Christmas tree measures about 2 3/4. And this stocking from the loop to the toe is around 3 inches. So I think this was about 3.5 and this was 4.5. So this is a little bit smaller. But anyway, with your order while supplies last, you will get one of these 2 die sets. Isn't that exciting? Super exciting. And then Lisa has a ton, and I do mean a ton of new ready to be dangles. And let me share those with you right now. There are so many and they're so cute. Like I said, I have already dug into this box and looked at everything, and I'm like, oh, so gorgeous. So here we have, and most of these have gold chains. I think there's only one that has a silver chain. This one says Faith Over Fear, and it's in pink and teal. So that's really cute. We've got this gorgeous little glittery Santa Gingy. Look at how cute he is. So cute. I'm trying to tilt the paper so that you don't catch much of that glare. So isn't that adorable? And then there, oh, this one has the silver chain. It says pray more, worry less. And this is in black and teal. We have this gorgeous little pink bowed Gingy, and when I see this, it reminds me of Poochie Tats. Her and her bows and everything pink. So cute. Then here is the red Christmas truck with the packages in the back, and it says Christmas Movie Junkie. Really cute. Oh, by the way, this one has a silver chain too. I didn't notice that before. And then we've got a red and white candy cane, and it has a white bow with black polka dots. Here we have a gingerbread house, and we've got Mr. Gingerbread and Mrs. Gingerbread. So cute. And we've got Santa Baby Bow here. Adorable. So cool. And we've got a cute little Santa here with his Santa sack and the little gifts falling out. Look at the little winky eye there. So cute. And then we have this adorable little snowman, and he has his winter hat and scarf on, and he's surrounded by a lot of Christmas florals. So cute. I can see myself doing a lot of bead wrapping this month. And then we have this cute little Gingy here. I think this is the little boy Gingy. He's got a black bow tie and a little plaid flannel outfit on there. Very cute. We have another candy cane set, and this one has pink polka dots on the bow. Where's that other one? Okay, so the candy canes do look a little bit different, and they do have different bows on them, but they're very, very cute. And the last ready to be dangle is this pink gingerbread house one here. Very, very cute. Pink and teal. Adorable. So those are all the ready to be dangles. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, looks like 13 different designs this month. And then there are 2 die sets. And oh my word, these are the must-have design sets. This one here for the fall, it's called Pumpkin Sentiments. And you get Pumpkin Spice and Pumpkin Patch. Both of them have a nice layering piece behind. Pretty, pretty font. And then for the Pumpkin Spice, you get the little layering pieces to make a Pumpkin Spice Latte. That will go right here. And then you get these little pumpkins to layer up right there. And you know what? You can use these for a lot of different things. It doesn't have to just be on here. So, so cute. Very nice set, Lisa. Love that. And the last set, and this is like super spectacular here, if you ask me. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you. Here you go. Look at this. It's the Stocking Tag Set 2025. And guess what? It is the perfect size, the large and the small, to match the Happy Cuts stocking tags. Look at that. Perfect and perfect. So if you decide that you want to get these and you want to use design paper, you got to pick up this die set. It's going to be perfect. You can use these dies to cut your, not only your paper, but I believe you can cut your felt with it to decorate these as well. So yes, you get the large, the small, and you've got all the layering pieces. Is that not an awesome, awesome release? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get started. So be sure to check out my channel throughout the month of November. I obviously am going to have a number of dangles. I probably am not going to be able to do all of these, but I'm going to do as many as I can. You've got these gorgeous sets here, and don't forget that while supplies last, you can get one of these 2 die sets in your order, and I believe it's going to be a random die set. I don't think you're going to be able to choose which one you want. So be sure to place your order early so you can get one of these, and don't forget to pick up these Happy Cuts stocking sets. Oh my goodness, so, so cute. And pair it up with this. How awesome is that going to be? So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for catching all the goodies that Lisa has in her shop this time around. I believe the release is going to go live on Tuesday, November 11. It'll be at midnight on Tuesday. That would be Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, don't forget, shop fast, get everything you want, do it all at once because this stuff is not going to last. Be sure to use my coupon code to save yourself some money. And once again, there's Lisa's shop address. Have fun, happy crafting, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.